In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your DocuSign signature bigger. We'll be doing this directly inside DocuSign while reviewing a document that needs your signature, and the process is very simple once you know where to click. If your signature looks too small on the page and you want it to be more visible and better proportioned, this is the easiest way to adjust it. First, go to DocuSign and open the document that's waiting for your signature. Once you're on the DocuSign page, click directly on the document you need to sign so you can enter the signing view. After that, you may see a pop-up with a few details about the document or the sender. When that appears, click Continue to move forward. This will take you into the document itself, where you can begin reviewing the file and placing your signature. Once the document appears on screen, find the signature field and click on Signature. This will place your signature into the designated area. At this point, don't worry if it looks too small right away. You'll be able to adjust it in the next few moments. Now drag the signature into position if needed. This helps you place it exactly where it should sit on the page before making size changes. Positioning first can make the resizing process feel a little easier, especially if the signature box is in a tight space. Next, click on the resize corners of the signature. These are the small handles around the selected signature box. When you click and drag those corners, you can begin increasing the size of the signature to match your preference. Resize the signature until it looks the way you want. Try to make it large enough to be clear and readable, but not so large that it overlaps other text or fields in the document. Once you've reached the size you want, reposition the signature again if necessary. Sometimes resizing changes the placement slightly, so it's a good idea to make a final adjustment and make sure everything looks clean and aligned. When you're done, you can choose to finish signing right away or finish later, depending on what you need to do next. If everything else in the document is complete, you can go ahead and submit it. If not, you can save your progress and return later. And that's it. That's how to make your DocuSign signature bigger. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make your signature look much more polished and visible on the final document.